Hi, welcome to Natureza dental practice. My name is José Lage. I am the principal dentist. We have a team of highly motivated colleagues who have an expert and interest in different areas of dentistry like root canal treatments, dental implants, cosmetic dentistry, teeth whitening. We also have an in-house specialist orthodontic in order to be able to offer you all sorts of dentistry according to your needs. We have a dental hygienist to offer you the brightest smile as possible so you can smile with confidence. During your visit, we want to offer you the most pleasant as possible experience. We want to try to spend enough time to explain to you what options you have. We want you to understand your problems and your treatment options. Therefore, we will try to make an itemized treatment plan. We also have finance available if you want to spread the cost of your treatment in installments. We are also very experienced in helping nervous patients achieving their treatment without pain and without fear, without anxiety. We offer you enough time to relax, and we do the things in a way that you understand. We are a mercury-free practice, and we are very experienced in replacing mercury fillings for our patients. We have been doing this for several years. We follow a protocol in order to try to do this in as safe as possible way. We also offer emergency dental care. We will try to allocate a space convenient for you on the same day to try to get you out of pain.